In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of a single slide in your presentation. Whether you're customizing your project for a specific audience or simply want to add a little personal touch, altering the background of just one slide can really make it stand out. Let's dive right in and keep it simple and straightforward, allowing you to make this change quickly and efficiently. First, open your presentation and navigate to the slide that you want to modify. It's important to select this specific slide before proceeding, as the changes we'll make will be targeted only to this one slide. Take a moment, get comfortable with the layout, and ensure you're in the right place. Once you've selected the correct slide, let's head over to the top menu. You'll find a series of tabs there, and we need to click on Slide. As you hover over this option, a drop-down menu will appear with a few different choices. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Change Background. Go ahead and click on it. Now, here's where the magic happens. A dialog box will pop up, and you should see a section that says Color. Next to this, there's a color box. This is your gateway to personalizing the slide's background. Click on this color box, and a palette or various options should appear, allowing you to select your desired color. Take your time to explore the different shades available. Whether you want something bold for emphasis or a subtle hue that complements your content, the choice is entirely yours. One crucial thing to remember here is the checkbox labeled Add to Theme. This option would apply your chosen background color to every slide in the presentation, creating a unified look. However, in this case, we want this beautiful new color to appear only on the slide we've selected. So, make sure you do not click or check Add to Theme. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintaining the uniqueness of your chosen slide. Once you're satisfied with your color choice and you've confirmed that Add to Theme remains unchecked, it's time to apply the changes. You'll find a button labeled Done. Click on Done, and voila! The new background color is applied to just the slide you chose. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of a single slide in your presentation. This personalized touch can greatly enhance the visual appeal and impact of your slide. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you add that perfect splash of color to your presentation.